Let's talk about the basic knit stitch. Now that you've learned how to cast on, or if you would like to know how to cast on, follow that link. And once we have our stitches on our left hand needle, I am going to be working this knit stitch in a continental style. I've got my tail end here, and then I've got my working yarn that goes to the ball. I will want to be working from my working yarn. So that is the yarn that we'll want to hold. I like to hold it through my fingers like this. It just kind of glides through and keeps a nice tension, but you use what is most comfortable for you. And I can move this back and forth while keeping it in my hands. Now to work the first stitch on our left hand needle, we will take our right hand needle and insert it into the stitch from left to right through that stitch. This right hand needle will sit underneath the left hand needle. We will yarn over, and now we will bring this yarn over through this first stitch. So as you see, we catch it and we pull it up through, and now we will drop it off the left hand needle, and the stitch is worked and sitting on our right hand needle. We will do that again with all of our stitches across, working them in a knit stitch. It's nice if you keep your stitches kind of closer to the tip, but not so close that they're going to slip off on you before you're ready for them to. Practice working knit stitches all the way across. Once you have worked all of the stitches from the left hand needle to the right hand needle, we will simply switch hands. So we'll take the empty needle to our right hand, and we'll turn this needle in the left hand, place our yarn to what's comfortable, and then we just simply repeat. Now, if we were to knit across this row, it would create a garter style fabric. If we were to purl this row, then that creates the stockinette knit-like stitch. So to continue on in the knit stitch, we will simply repeat those steps as before. And that is the knit stitch.